Well, hello. I thought I'd give an update on the vehicle I'm currently driving. It is a 2016 Ram ProMaster City. And for you guys who like to do all of your work on your own, that's perfectly fine. I try to do all the maintenance on this vehicle as much as I can. So that being said, I had to change a few suspension parts out. I replaced the shocks, and then I had a sway bar link that was just wore out, so I replaced that. Then I replaced both inner tie rods, and so I got it all as lined up as I could. And I know that after you replace the struts, and especially the tie rods, whether the ends or the inner or outer ones, you should get it aligned. Well, something happened that just completely shocked me, and this for all you guys who have a Chrysler vehicle. Even though the Ram ProMaster City is actually made by Fiat, but they do have Chrysler's computer and the stuff. Anyway, long story short, I had an error message after I replaced the inner tie rods. It said Hill Holder failure, or fault, actually, Hill Holder fault. And then it said the electronic stability control, the ESC system, needed servicing. So I didn't know what that was. So what I did, and hold on, I'm pulling into a gas station. So what I had to do, I went and took it into the shop to get the wheel alignment, and it actually took care of it. That problem went away. It solved the electronic stability control system failure, the Hill Holder fault. It took care of that, and come find out these tires need to be pointed pretty much in the right direction, especially if you do some kind of suspension work. It also took care of all of the tire pressure monitoring system in each tire, because suddenly they were all bad. It was saying that the tire pressure was low, and it really wasn't. I knew they weren't, because I would double check. So it took care of both of those. So if you have a Chrysler vehicle, I guess 2016 and up, maybe a little bit before that, just know your vehicle is full of electronics. And electronics stability control system is very dependent on the angle of those tires being pointed in the right direction or within specification. Other than that, the vehicle has been great. It feels great that those error messages aren't popping up. This vehicle has 77,551 miles, and I use it for mail delivery. So if anybody's interested, I'm actually selling this because I've come to realize I'm very allergic to a car payment. I have two other vehicles that don't have a payment on them, and so I need to get rid of this because I need to quit having allergic reactions every time I make that car payment. Anyway, have a great day.